Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting ready for prom. So fun story, every single homecoming and prom, we all have ballet rehearsal until 5 o'clock. So it's at least 5, sometimes it goes longer. So it's 5 o'clock right now, we have an hour and a half to get all of us ready, and one other girl, Audrey, is coming pretty soon, like any minute now. And so, yeah, let's slip off our tards and slip into something a little more comfortable. Okay, dresses on. This is mine. It's like a summery, floral-y kind of vibe. Julia. Hers is like Oscar-ready glamour. Sion's isn't on yet. We'll do hers, and then Audrey is wearing like a red ball gown. Funny story. While I take out my bun, the red dress. Oh, it's in the office. In the office closet. I was supposed to wear a prom dress for my friend Abby, who lives in Anacortes, and she was supposed to like bring it up today, and she forgot because she like has a show and she was like busy this morning, so she forgot to bring it up. And so today at like our rehearsal break, we like went out and found this prom dress for me from our friend Abby, our other friend Abby. So this dress is very last minute, but I'm liking it. It has like some little shoulder ruffs right here, and it's like a little bit low, but I like it a lot nonetheless. Just taking out the bun.
These are 3 shoe options.
Ooh. I'm gonna start with washing my face. We'll be right back.
I don't have like a chilling outfit.
Voyage to the bathroom. We're here. Wait. Washing our faces. Cotton rounds. Beautiful.
Whoa, these are thick.
I'm gonna start with my makeup. I'm just gonna do something like natural, kind of like pinky. So, yeah.
I wish I could rap this kind of stuff. I'd be so badass.
Hello? Audrey?
Yes?
Where are you?
I'm at your front door.
Okay, just knock.
It's unlocked.
Okay.
It's unlocked, you can just come in. Okay.
Rehearsal.
This is Audrey. Audrey,
Hello.
she's wearing the red ball gown, so she's a touch late, but we're gonna start getting ready ASAP.
Look at my highlighter. Alena goes, you're going to look like an Oscar and look like you're at the Oscars.
You could.
she looks at me.
Are you ready to start these mirrors?
Wait, first, can everyone please take a thumbnail selfie for my video?